Good job, Lila. Good job. Lila, there it is. Oh gosh, Lila, it's over here. Lila, it's over here. You didn't finish the job. Lila, come here. It's over here. Lila, please. Heck, Lila. Lila, it's over here. Please, Lila, come. Want a treat? Lila, do you want a treat? It's right there. Come over here. It's over here, Lila. It's under the wreaths, Lila. Please. Closer. Where did it go? What? Lila! What the heck? Lila! What are you doing? What are you doing? You're not done! It's right here, Lila, please. Lila, please. Please. Lila, it's right here. Please. Lila, I'll stop screaming. Please. You have to go. You really do. Lila. It's not time for that. Will you stay there, please? Lila, come on. Do you want a treat? Lila, do you want a treat? Lila, there's a treat right here. Please, Lila. Please. Lila, we can't do this. What is the matter with you, Lila? Like, seriously. You have free rent. Oh, gosh, there it goes. Ah! Lila, went over the freaking couch. Great. This is what has happened. This couch is so stupid big. Freak Lila. Dude, how did you give up so easily? Seriously, Lila? Lila, look at me. Are you ashamed? You should be. Bitsy, could you help, please? Maybe? No? You're not going outside until you get this mouse, Lila. The mouse is in here, ma'am. Don't ignore me. These are all of my mom's Christmas items, and we made these little trolley carts to go in the storage under the stairs. And there's another big one that's a Christmas tree. So this is all the Christmas stuff, and I saw a mouse run in there. I initially put Lila in there, and she was just meowing to get out. And I started moving the trolley carts out, and then there was the mouse running. And I was like, Lila, again. Long story short, I got all the things out, and it was running in that pipe that it came out of, where Lila caught it the first time. So when I first got her to see it, because I was sitting over there on the chair, and she went over here and was sitting over here by the fridge, and there's a pipe in under the sink, and I didn't know if it connected to that pipe under the stairs, but she was sitting over there, and then I took her and we sat there until she saw it. And that was when she finally saw it, and she was waiting in there for it. Lila. So things are chaos right now. And this thing must come out. It must. Okay, and I have sprained my ankle pretty badly. I am on this ottoman to make sure it was not under the ottoman. And I can't be running around on my ankle. Okay, it already hurts. I had the boot on, but anytime I'd go to grab Lila, the crunching of the Velcro, she didn't really appreciate. So, Bitsy, could you help, please? Okay, this is the latest. We have some cheese. Okay, and I cannot mess around too bad. My foot is swollen or sprained. So I have the boot. I moved all the pillows because I need to lift this couch up, and it was looking at me right from there. Okay, so I need to pull this thing off, and I just can't. Ew. Okay, mice are so disgusting, and I don't even know where Lila is. Oh man, how can I do this? It's probably in here. Like it's in here somewhere. Please, 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 don't be by my hand. Oh gosh, please. Where are you? Where's Jordan? I need Jordan. You know what? I need Jackson, actually. I don't know if Jordan, I think Jordan might be afraid. I need Jackson. Oh gosh. Where are you, little mouse? Oh my gosh, there it is. See? Did you see it? Oh my gosh, is it running over there? Where is it? Oh gosh, is it attached to the cushion? Please. Oh my Lila, I know where the mouse is. Lila, please. It's in here. There's some cheese for you, little mousey. Here is some cheese for you, little mousey. Get the cheese, little mousey. Okay, I gotta get Lila over here. Where are you going? Lila, it's over here. Lila, you probably brought this in. I will tell you a little story. So one evening I was editing, and that's what I was doing right now. I heard some crunching, because the ottoman normally is right here. So I heard some crunching over in this area. It was Lila. I thought she just was eating some treats, because there were some treats over here. And it was crunching for a long time. And so I saw it. I looked up, and I peered over the ottoman, and there she was, crunching on the mouse's head, tearing it apart. So I was hoping that I could get her to hold it in her mouth and get her out the door, but no, she had decapitated it, then run away from it, and then she went back and she was eating it, and I thought, okay, maybe she'll eat it all. No, she didn't. So I had to clean up the remains, and it was very late at night, and so I picked it up with a shovel and a spatula and brought it outside. And as I walked outside, the outside camera picked up the movement, and here I come out with the shovel, the mouse on the shovel. Lila, I need you to do your job, okay? That's what you're here for. Don't give me any of that. And Lila comes running out onto the rock as I walk outside, and I'm telling her, get out of my way, because she was just, rubbing up against my leg and everything. So I take the shovel and I chuck it into the water. And I turn to Lila and I say, disgusting. I point the spatula at her and I say, disgusting, Lila. And right after that, she proceeds to lick her paw. So who knows, maybe she's been bringing the mice in here. Lila, are you bringing the mousies in here? Are you? I don't appreciate it if you are. You're not going outside, okay? You need to get the mouse. All right, this is what we're gonna try to do. I need to call Jackson, I think. Excuse me. I am gonna lift this up, please. Don't run over here. Oh gosh. Probably ran in the other cushions. Stupid. Lila or Bitsy? No. You don't need that. Is it under there? Are you under there? Hello? No? Oh, shoot. Okay. I'm gonna have to dismantle this couch. Lila, would you like to help? No? In the room. Okay. All right. Here we are. Okay. In the room. Okay. And we have this. All right, Lila. Are you gonna work with me now? Lulu? Lila? No? This is where we are. Have everything laying flat on the ground so far. Those things. Now I gotta get these. There is a hole on the underside of this, so maybe there is the mouse inside the couch there. So, okay, here we go. Now, here we are. Are you in here? Please, I need you to leave. We need you to go to heaven. Where are you? Oh yeah, it looks like there's maybe mouse poop over here. Oh gosh, please. Where are you? Are you in there? Are you in there? Does that look like a mouse ate that open? Are you living in the couch? Mousy? Oh no. I might be living in there. Hello? I swear if this thing comes running out. It must be somewhere else. It's probably under the TV. Where is it? Do we really need this on there? You can just re-staple it, right? I have a staple. One of these staple things. Are you hanging on for dear life? Oh gosh. Oh, that's the cheese. Okay, that's just me stepping on the cheese. Hello, little mousey. Can you please go outside? Or you need to go to heaven. Little mousey, you're wasting my time. Let's go see what Lila's doing, shall we? Hello? Lila? Really? Lila, please, can you come? Lila, you left your treat. You left your treat over there. I need you to get it. I've completely dismantled the couch. Okay, everything has been dismantled. It's probably under the TV. Yeah, so let's take a look, shall we? I was feeding the food to the mouse. That's how I was getting it to come out. This is all Christmas crap, okay? It's ridiculous. Christmas. It takes up this entire area. It is absurd. Lila? Lila, can you help, please? Lila? Itzy wants to go upstairs and her mom doesn't come and get her when she gets home. Don't know why she does that, but I'm gonna scream like there's a mouse down here, because there is. And we'll see if she comes. We're gonna test my mom. See if she even cares. Ready? Plug your ears on the count of 3. 1, 2. Ah! She went out. She went out to the upstairs sliding glass door. Here she comes.
What's going on? Rachel? Rachel, what's happening? Who screamed?
I did.
What's happening?
There's a mouse.
Where?
In the house, here.
Where?
It came over here last time.
Where's Lila?
Sleeping on the job. She's on the table, look at her.
Lila, get over there and get this. Why is all this furniture on it?
Because it was in the couch. It went in the couch.
Okay, Lila, you need to get up. Go over there. Because this is your job. Okay, this is your job, okay? Okay, I love you. Yes, I do. I love you. I love you. Come on, Lila. Yes, come on.
She caught it once.
She did?
Yeah, and then she let it go.
Why?
And it ran under the couch. She's gonna be fired. So.
Lila, get the mouse. Brought you home some chocolate cake.
Lila, can you please get the mouse?
I'm gonna get Robert down here.
He's not gonna do anything.
Hey, Robert, got a mouse down here. We need some help.
Certainly not a cat. I already checked those. It wasn't in there. It was in this one. This one over here by me.
Okay.
These need to be, yeah, I know yeah. I've been dealing with this for about 3 hours. So this backing needs to come off.
It's moving. Do you see the backing? No, it moved out.
Yeah, that's what I did here.
No, it moved out before. Okay, the mouse is in that thing.
What thing?
The couch.
This one here?
Yes.
It was. It's probably run under the TV thing now. Lila has ultimately thrown in the towel for this evening and laying on the clean towels. We have Mom seeing and Robert seeing to the mice. I've picked up what I can from the floor.
Taking everything out of the Christmas closet.
Yep. At some point, maybe the viewers would like to hear from you about your extensive Christmas closet. Not right now.
Okay.
But yeah, so hopefully
Oh yeah, these victories are much better.
we'll catch the mouse, right, Lila? Okay, stay tuned. So I put the traps up there behind the faucet. That's where the mouse was. And we caught it. I'm not sure what to do, but it is stuck. I put a peanut butter trap there. I think I will take it outside and bang it with the shovel to kill it. So, but hopefully that is the last of the mousey. Get him out of his misery.